Panaji government offices are being considered for shifting to Patok. So once that starts,
So that will be an administrative headquarters.
So you were collector
State
building and all, no?
collectorate building we are considering at Porvorim. अजून सगळ्या freeze जाऊन ना. After this assembly session freeze. But basic documentation, requirements, collection हे चालू झालं. Basic planning is already on. So based on basic planning, by October tender for that museum building will come. Museum will be shifted to ESG from Adil Shah Palace, and ESG will go to Taligaon. This is a chain of events which has to be finalized in sense there are multi-departments, so all of them has to be brought on board. Canada Assembly
Special task force will be made for this.
Task force this, once you take a decision, various agencies will execute. Like for example, GSIDC will do the administrative building. EDC has been tasked to do the complete convention center on behalf of ITG. So, that full project will be developed on PPP mode, where ESG also will have facility. Those have final down now. My museum, ESG, government achi 3-4 department, GAD, असे सगळ्यांक एकत्र बसवून सगळ्यांचे म्हणणे ऐकून त्यांची रिक्वायरमेंट ऐकून मागीर फायनल.
So in next two years, Panjim city will get a holistic view.
Decongested from unwarranted load of government offices. See, there is no need that you should have a headquarter of some. आता एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट went to Porvorim. कितें जालें? काय जावंक ना. प्रॉब्लेम गेलो. पण थंय दुसरी ऑफिस आयली. तांकां जागे ना. ती भाड्याच्या हातून आशिल्ली. ती सगळी ह्या बिल्डिंगेत येतली. So that government office, including Fazen, won't be existing in the city.
बांयगिणी कोयर विल्याच्या प्रकल्पा खातीर सप्टेंबरात टेंडरां काडपाची प्रक्रिया सुरू जातली.
We have already appointed meeting to do the environmental impact assessment. So they will conduct some exercise and maybe another 2-3 months public hearing. Simultaneously, by September, tendering will start on both the plants. So maybe by December the plant should start. Kakora is already finalized. It is a degraded site. Now it doesn't require public hearing for environment. ESI environment impact assessment authority has been also notified. So all these processes will take 1 or 2 months. So when tendering for final I think by December the project should be ready for construction.
पणजे मार्केटाचो विशय सोडोवपाचे CCPन बरेच यत्न केल्यात खरे, मात पुराय तरेन तडीक लावपाक जमना जाल्ल्यान CCP आनी सरकारी तिजोरेक मोठे लुकसाण जाला. हो विशय तडीक लावंक खासा IAS अधिकारी अपॉइंट करपाचो विचार चल्ला.
Single minded officers are IAS preferably who will not do any favor or injustice to anyone, who has an open mind on the market.
बसकेत CCPच्या नव्या बिल्डिंगेचे प्रेझेंटेशन झाले. CCPन 69 कोटीची नवी बिल्डिंग उबारपाचे थारायला. फंड राज्य सरकाराचो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि शिरीष कुकळेकार.